Do you want to create a consistent image for your work using AI but keep running in the problem? This is something many people experience when using AI image generator. Creating a single good image is easy, but maintaining the same character across multiple scenes can be a real challenge. It is especially frustrating when you are working on a story, video, and the main character keep changing appearance in each image. Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to generate consistent AI character images step by step, whether you are a beginner or already experimenting with AI tools. This method will help you fix the most common problem, character inconsistency. By the end, you will be able to create professional, consistent image for your stories, videos, or design easily and for free. So let's get started. First, open your ChatGPT or any other AI and type, I want to make character images, and give a prompt for a consistent story for a boy 12-year-old. This initial step is very important because it tells the AI what you are trying to create, a central character for a story. You're setting the foundation for all the images you will generate later. ChatGPT will provide a prompt for a consistent character. It will usually include some description of the boy, age, personality, appearance, or the story. This helps you lock in the key feature of the character early on. Then open the new tab in your browser and go to Perchance AI. This is a free online AI image generator that allows you to paste text prompts and creating image based on your description. Open the first website. You do not need any sign up. That means you do not have a register or login, which save time and make the process much simpler. It's ready to use right away and that's perfect for beginner or anyone who wants fast result. Just copy the first scene and paste it into the Perchance AI text box. A scene can be short sentence that describe where your character is, what they are doing, or what the background look like. This might be something like a boy is walking through a magical forest or a 12-year-old sitting in classroom with science books. You are simply telling AI where your character should appear. Select the art style accordingly. I selected 3D. Choosing the right art style is important because it affects how your final image will look like. For example, 3D often give more depth and realism, while cartoon or animated style might look more playful or colorful. You can try different style, but using the same style every time help your scene stay visuals consistent. Then choose the maximum number of images at one time and click on generate. Perchance AI generates several versions of your prompt, so you can choose one that look best. It will create images according to your prompt. You will get different angle, pose, or facial expression based on the image scene. When the first image is ready, choose one out of 3, click the heart button and save it to your device. Saving your image right helps to stay organized, especially when you're making multiple scenes. Next, copy the second scene and paste it on Perchance AI. Then click on generate. It will create a second image. Click on the heart button and save it to your device. But here, where most people notice a problem, even though you use similar prompt, their character might look different. His cloth might change, or his hairstyle may be different. This is where AI image generator fall short. They do not remember previous image unless you give very specific prompt every time. At this part, you may notice that the character appearance like cloth has changed, the consistency is missing. This make it hard to create flowing story or video where the audience connects with one recognizable character throughout. What mistake did we make in the prompt that caused the character to be inconsistent? The answer is simple. We do not include the character detail in each prompt. Here is a trick you can use in prompt to ensure consistent character type. Give a character body shape, color, clothing, everything in the prompt and hit enter. This tells ChatGPT to generate a full and detailed character descriptions on just a basic one. ChatGPT will provide a detailed prompt for the character. It might include height, skin tone, hair color, eye color, what the character is wearing, accessories, or even posture and mood. Now, copy the character description and save it in Notepad. Keeping it in a Notepad file lets you reuse it easily across every scene you create. Copy the first scene prompt and paste into Perchance AI. Then copy the character prompt, save in Notepad and paste it alongside the scene prompt in the Perchance AI text box. When you combine the scene description, the AI can produce much more consistent result. Click on generate. First image is ready. Save it to your device. Repeat the process, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second scene and paste it to Perchance AI, then copy the character prompt from Notepad and paste it with the scene prompt. Click generate, your second image is ready, choose one from the three and save it to your device. You will start to see that the character remain the same with consistent cloth, face and body structure. Again, go back to ChatGPT, copy the third scene prompt and paste into Perchance AI. Also copy the character prompt and paste it with the scene prompt. This time, change the number from 3 to 6. For more interesting images, and click on generate. For image option, mean more variety in pose or background, but your character will stay consistent. Your third consistent image is ready. Save it to your device. Repeat the same process. Copy the fourth scene prompt and paste into Perchance AI. Then paste the character prompt with it and click generate. Your fourth image is ready. You won from the sixth image according to the perfect scene and save it to your device. By repeating this process for each new scene, you will ensure the character remain visual identical, just placed in different setting or performing different action. Now copy the fifth scene prompt and paste it into Perchance AI. Again paste the character prompt along with the scene and click generate. Your image is ready. Save it to your device. As you go through more scenes, the process becomes faster and easier and your collection of consistent image will grow quickly. You can see that by using this trick, you can create consistent character image. The simple adjustment, adding the same detailed character description to each prompt makes all the difference. Just copy each scene prompt one by one, then paste the character prompt with the scene. Your consistent image is ready. This method is reliable and repeatable and it's work for all type of project. You can follow this step to make consistent character for your art, design or any other work. Whether you are creating for fun, for client or for educational content, this technique will give you visuals of polished and professional feel. You would not need expensive tools or design experience, just clear prompt and patience. Thanks for watching.